The Knudsen Number Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine flow regime characteristics in rarefied gas dynamics. Let's explore the input fields. First, there's a drop-down menu labeled Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate Knudsen number, calculate mean free path, calculate characteristic length, calculate pressure from mean free path, calculate temperature from mean free path, and calculate molecular diameter from mean free path. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Knudsen Number. The input fields are mean free path lambda, characteristic length L, temperature T, pressure P, molecular diameter D, and Knudsen number Kn. For our worked example, I'll enter 10 for mean free path lambda, 10 for characteristic length L, 10 for temperature T, 10 for pressure P, and 10 for molecular diameter D. After clicking Calculate, the output shows Knudsen number Kn equals 1.000 E plus 0, which is 1.0 in standard notation. The calculator also identifies this as transition flow, indicating the gas behavior falls between continuum and molecular flow regimes. This Knudsen number of 1.0 confirms we're exactly at the transition point where both molecular and continuum effects are equally important. This tool streamlines complex rarefied gas calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.